Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, so we have another mystery compound one. Here we're starting with E, which is C4H8O2, and we're treating this with ethyl Grignard. Getting to F, and we are at C8H14O. So, can you tell? We've already added ethyl group twice because ethyl only has 2 carbons, but now we have an increase of 4 carbons. So things that we can add Grignards twice to that has 2 oxygens, I'm already thinking this is an ester group. The other information, we see that this E has an IR peak at 1743, while F is at 3600 to 3200. And so also we have a 1.2 triplet with 3 hydrogens on the proton NMR. And at 2.0 we have a singlet for 3 hydrogens. And 4.1 we have a quartet, 2 hydrogens. This last one we see a 0.9, a triplet, 6 hydrogens. We have 1.1 singlet with 3 hydrogens. At 1.5, a quartet with 4 hydrogens, and 1.55, a singlet with 1 hydrogen. Okay, let's see. This singlet with 1 hydrogen is new. That is definitely going to be the alcohol. We also see 6, 3, and 4. Here is 3, 3, and 2. We have only a triplet, a singlet, and a quartet. This triplet and quartet are coupled to each other because we have an ethyl group within this molecule. And this singlet is coming from a methyl. So what we have for for E is most likely going to be your ethyl acetate. This singlet here shouldn't do an O, that looks like an O. The singlet at 3 is coming from this carbon with the 3 hydrogens, and then of course here's your quartet and your triplet. Okay, so then if we were to treat this with 2 equivalents of ethyl Grignard, we'll of course have this alcohol with ethyl group here, ethyl group here, and methyl group, that is 2, 4, 5, 6. Interesting. Did I make a mistake? I did make a mistake. I just couldn't read. This was supposed to be C6 H14, and so now we have 2, 4, 5, 6. Forgive me for that, but everything else is very consistent. So this is definitely your final product.